it's Tina with TSRcreations. Back today with another video. I'm going to be doing one of my little swipes, and this is a 10 by 10 inch gallery canvas. This is what I use, and I think this is from Blick. I think I got these off blick.com. The base paint today is a lime yellow by Premier Paints, and this is a paint that AC Moore sells. AC Moore by me has closed, so I'm not sure if they closed all over the place or just by me. I haven't, with all the craziness in the world, I don't even know. But anyway, I used to really like these paints, and I have a bunch of them left, so I'm going to use them up. The colors I'll use today is Liquitex Basics by, Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple, Anthracian Blue by Golden, Master's Touch Emerald Green, put some of that in there, Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue. I have a little Color Shift Purple Flash. I have some phthalo green, and this is a mixture I've had for a while. I think it's probably a mixture of, it might be a Premier paint because it's been in there for a while. And I'll probably use a little of my gold, the 24 karat Extreme Sheen Deco Art. I'm going to be swiping with my palette knife and my mixture of American Floetrol and Amsterdam white paint at a 4:1 ratio. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alright, so I put down my base paint. Let me just poke the bubbles because I didn't do that. So I'm gonna do two little swipes like this, a little different today. So let's I'm gonna put the blue down first. All right. And then let's do the purple flash. If I can get it out, yeah. Okay. Almost fell. Let's do, you know what? I have this emerald green. Oh, I'll use this emerald green, the one I showed you. I have a darker one too that will probably look pretty in here, but I don't want to put too much paint down. All right. And then the ultramarine blue. And the phthalo green, I'm going to put that right on top if it comes out. Okay. Did I get everything? I don't know. I don't think I did the dioxazine purple. Can't forget that. Green and purple. All right, and then a little gold. Just put a little gold in there. And then I just sprinkle it on top. All right. So I'm gonna use this to put down my paint, my white or my cell activator. Just drizzle it in there. So I have a place where I can just dip my knife. Make sure you have a paper towel handy. There's something in there. Anyway, make sure you have a paper towel handy because you're going to want to wipe off whatever tool, I mean, you can also just wipe it off. Like sometimes you'll see me going like this, wipe it off. But just so you're prepared. All right, so I'm going to dip my knife in. All right, and I'm going to swipe. First, I'm going to move this over a little. Just go up a little bit. That's good. All right, so let's swipe. And then wipe your knife off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. First of all, they look like butterflies, abstract butterflies. I love the green background. I really do. I didn't think I would. Make sure your sides are covered and make sure you run your finger under the edge so it doesn't keep pouring off, because you don't want to lose what you have that you like. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Like, really, I gotta do a big piece like that with this grain. For sure. Definitely. Anyway, let me know what you think. There's some cool cells going on here. So, just so you know, the metallics, they will always give you really nice cells. I every time I use them, I get beautiful cells. And I'm sure someone out there knows why. I think it's because of the density of it. It almost, I'm not a chemist, I don't know. But they always just give me such great cells. I'm pretty sure it's the weight of it and the makeup. So, but if any of you know, comment below and let me, correct me or enlighten me. All right, I really love this. I hope you do too. If you have any questions, please comment below. And please like and subscribe and go see me on my Instagram. All my links are in my description box. I have a TikTok, I have an Instagram. Oh, it's like rainbow up here. And a lot of times I'll put on different videos for my Instagram if I just make little quick ones that I don't post here. But anyway, follow me there and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Please share if you would like to. That helps your channel grow. Thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.